Welcome friends to my course introduction on Microsoft SOAR using Sentinel. So have you ever wondered like Microsoft Sentinel is a cloud-based SIM, but that's not it. It has a option. It has a it's a it has a feature of SOAR as well. So this SOAR portion which we are speaking about is usually achieved using uh, what we call it as logic apps, right? So logic apps plays a very important role in achieving the SOAR part, which is security orchestration and automated response. So this course is totally focused on Logic App, as in my previous course, which was a hands-on course on Sentinel SIM part. This is again a hands-on session on SIM SOAR part of the Sentinel. This will enable you to create your own SOAR solutions for your clients. We'll try to leverage some of the use cases starting from the notifying incidents onto Teams or via or over email to blocking an IP address in a firewall. So we can either whitelist, allow, or deny using an IP group, and all those scenarios we'll discuss in a much step-by-step way. We'll also try to understand. Uh, we'll also try to understand that what are the key considerations while creating a Sentinel logic app. What are the must-know aspects while creating a logic app. So these will help you. This specific point will help you to overcome frequent errors and failures which we get during while creating the logic app. After creating and when we run it, it went to failure sometimes. So why it should not go to failures, and how it should be a success at the first instance. We'll try to understand that with this must know aspects while creating logic app. These are all the one which I have consolidated with my experience and which will surely enable you as well to have easy catch on solutions. So this will help us to make or to reach solution faster, to do solutioning faster if we have a good hands-on on the frequently known aspects. Further, we will understand how application registration works and how to enroll, how to connect a logic app with app registration specifications like secrets and all those things which we need to map right to our logic app. Further, we'll try to understand how we can leverage connectivity with teams, how we can connect third party connectors. That's it. And from this point also we'll try to understand what each action, we'll understand how to create a response to a trigger, right? And how to eventually execute it, and how to execute the workflow, because this is the complete trigger and response is the complete workflow, and we'll understand that. We will understand we will also leverage, like we will create logic app from scratch, and we will also leverage out of the box logic apps, right? Here we will understand where we will surely understand what each step indicate, what each step or action do, and how it contributes to the execution, contributes to the how it contributes to the action of each step, right? So we'll try to understand that. Further, this is not it. I mean, I have also created architecture of workflow. I've also created architecture. architectural workflow which will help us to start with. Will help us to start with. Uh, like, or if we have more understanding on the use case, then it's easier for us to start, right? So that is the key which I would like to indicate. And then further, I have for everyone which have used this flow. This flow is very interactive. Will always help us to understand more like this. So we have this flow which we will leverage to understand what does it mean, what does it indicate further. Uh, I've created this must know which are also important from the experience which I have. In and all, you will be surely going to enjoy and get good content out of it, and it will worth every penny which you invest on this course. And that's it which I would like to say, and I'll recommend this if you are a key player in Azure Sentinel market, which is emerging from the both SIM and SOAR perspective. Thank you and stay tuned.